even better than that, guys. Let's try it one more time. I can hear you.
Please remain seated until the ride comes to a complete stop. At that time, exit carefully to my left. And please be sure to retrieve any articles you may have left behind.
Thank you for watching. Please help this channel grow by subscribing and smashing the like button. If you enjoyed this video, try one of the others shown above for more. As always, let us know in the comments below how much you are enjoying the channel.